Gold traded with modest gains yesterday, and silver traded bearish throughout this day. However, gold has taken a good support at 1765 levels. It appears very strong support level. So what to expect today in these two metals? Can we expect them to rise, or they are going to drop again? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be released before the US cash session. So do watch that also. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end, do note down the levels and trade only as per the levels. Now these are the hourly charts for gold. You can find out higher bases are getting created at the same time. This is happening after a sharp drop. So this is also a minor retracement, you can say, and only if gold drops or trades below 1765, I will recommend you to sell. This is the stand we had taken yesterday. Again, I am saying the same. Only and only if gold trades below 1765, you can sell. Expect 1760 as the major support, and then below that the next major support is 1740. Remember, I have always taken this stand that 1740, 1760, this is going to be a very important support zone for gold, and we will see how it behaves, because below 1740 again it is going to go bearish. So let's see. And for the day, do not sell anything till the time it trades below 1765 levels. At the same time, another observation is it has created higher highs here. So if it goes bullish from here, what should be the level where you could enter? Potentially once it trades above 1776, you can expect 1780, which is a very good resistance, and if it trades above 1780, we can again expect 1785 levels, and beyond that it is going to fly high. So this is an increasingly bullish triangle. Till the time it trades above 1765, one can remain bullish. Now look at the directional movement. This is bearish and trying to converge. Crossover, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is divergent and in green. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, look at the 2-hour charts here. See, the observation here is that after this it has created symmetry and almost symmetrical formation they are trying to complete. Now if it draws below this, certainly you can consider this as bearish, as similar observation what we saw on the early charts. Directional movement here is bearish, also trying to converge. Stochastic looking upward. The MACD has crossed over, and this is a bullish cross. This is trading with a little divergence. Stronger bullish candles might make it more diverge, and then it will try to enter into bullish zone. RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour chart, this was the potential reversal, higher lows, and now it is trying to trade bullish again. I'll wait for it to break past 1776, beyond which you can expect 1780, 85 and plus levels also can be expected. Same direction movement, bearish trying to converge. Stochastic is trying to converge for a bullish move looking upwards. MACD is bearish trying to converge crossover. RSI is looking upwards trying to trade bullish. Now look at the 4-hour charts, most important, and here too it is almost, see this, if you divide this into two half, it is almost a symmetry, and symmetry means probably once it rises beyond this zone at 1780, you can again expect it to trade bullish, and then you can expect it to trade fly higher. Yes, 1776 appears to be a little resistance. Beyond that it may try to achieve 1780, and beyond that 1785. If it trades above 1785, certainly you can expect more bullishness. 1791, 1800 levels to be seen again if it continues to trade bullish from here. Directional movement bearish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is bearish trying to convert. The RSI is also trying to look upwards from here. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts closely, and on the close observation you will find, see these three candles, how beautifully these are aligned, and this also indicates that 1765 is the only level below which you can sell. Till the time it trades, see higher lows indicates, and see the previous candle as green indicates that we may see a greener candle today. It may not achieve the previous highs, but yes, it can go bullish today. It can trade bullish today. It can again break 1780 levels. It can try to venture it towards 1785. That is my expectation, but these are markets. So yes, you can buy at 1776, expect it to rise, sell at 1765 and expect it to drop. Rather, let's make it a $10 spread. Below 1766 itself you can sell, and above 1776 you can buy. Do not trade for these $10. On the upside, 1780, 85, 91 and 1800 are the targets. On the downside, below 1765 you can expect 1760, 1754, 1751, and then 1740 level. 1740 is certainly a very good support. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Now look at silver's movement. Yesterday I told you 2260 is a very good resistance. Precise, it has got the resistance at 2260 and since then traded bearish. Now look at the hourly charts also. It has in fact breached the support here at 2220, which is a very strong support on the downside. It has breached and went till close to $22 levels. Now again, if you see it trading above 2225, rather I say 2230 itself, you can buy for 2240, which is going to be the next resistance, and then 2260 levels. See, 2260 is going to be a barrier for it. Beyond that, certainly it is going to fly for 2280, $23 levels. At the same time, only sell entry today I will recommend is below $22. Only sell below $22 till the time it trades about 22. There is a potential of rise. Directional movement bearish trying to converge, stochastic near to the highs. The MACD has taken a crossover. This is a bullish cross here. The candle is green. RSI is comfortable. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts closely. And on the close observation, it appears that it is trying to reverse from here. But at the same time, till the time it breaches beyond the zone at 2230, I'll wait for it to breach past this. Then you can expect it to give you a bullish momentum for 2240, 2255, 2260, and then beyond that it is going to fly high. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour chart. But another observation on the 3-hour charts is that 2260 definitely a stronger barrier. See, previously it was a support, now it is a resistance, and it is trying to give you lower highs, lower lows, and hence on the upside 2255 levels you should watch out for. Beyond that only you can expect little more bullish momentum for 2260, and if it breaches 2260, stay long for 2280, $23. Similar observation. Now look at the last couple of candles. See, here is the reversal. After that, higher highs, higher lows. There is a potential that it may try to get the resistance at 2230, and beyond that it is going to fly high. So buy at 2230, expect it to rise more, and below $22 you can expect it to drop again. The directional movement is bearish trying to converge. Stochastic is bottom trying to look upwards. The MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI is trying to look upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. On the 4-hour charts, higher lows, lower highs, let it breach past the previous high, possibly beyond which you can expect little more rise. But remember, 2240 is again going to be a good resistance. Beyond 2240 only you can expect little more bullishness. At the same time, below $22 level, certainly more bearishness can be expected. Rather, let's limit it between 2210 and 2230 for this 20 cents. Do not trade above 2230. Certainly, you can expect little more bullish momentum. Below 2210, certainly you can expect $22 as the first support, and below that 2180 levels to be seen. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards here. The MACD, if you look at the MACD, is still divergent and bearish here. And if you look at it, is not showing any signs of convergence. Let it converge a bit, let it cross over a bit, and then the bullish momentum will start. RSI is trading flat. Remember, this is yet the midweek, and still we are just done with 2 trading sessions, and still there are 3 more trading sessions, including today. Whatever it has lost till now, it can regain everything. We have to be cautious here. Now look at the daily charts here. Now on the daily chart, see, previous candle lower lows were seen with a stronger and more broader wick. Indicates that the upward downward support is strong and the upward resistance is also there. Now see, this is also a potential reversal because higher lows, and potentially if it reverses from here you can expect 2270, 2280 levels it can try to achieve if it is a reversal from here. Now at the same time, dropping below $22, it can equally show you similar bearish candle. In fact, might take it for 2160, 2150 levels. It can show you this it can completely erase the gains from the day. Till the time it trades below 2260, it can erase the gains and can drop strongly on the downside, and hence you have to remain cautious. You have to enjoy the swings on either which ways, because this is first red candle, this is second red candle. A reversal confirmation is only if it trades about 2260 and then achieves till towards 2280 levels. Now see this. On the daily charts, it is trying to create this channel. This is almost the bottom of this channel, and hence I will wait for it to breach past $22 only. This is the level below which it will confirm that it is trying to trade bearish. You have to stay cautious here. Directional movement so far is bullish, trying to converge. The stochastic has seen a good dip. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. The RSI is trading flat. Considering this, you can sell at 22.10, but then expect $22 as the good support, and below that a good drop for 21.80, 21.60, 21.50 levels can be seen. On the upside, beyond 22.30, 22.40 first target, 22.55 next target, and then 22.60 is the third target. Beyond that, it is going to fly high for 22.80, $23 level. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.